Hi Debonaires, welcome back to my channel. So today, as promised, I'm sharing with you guys my ultimate DIY face mask. It's literally going to heal your acne, lighten your hyperpigmentations and dark marks and scars. It's going to smoothen out your texture and give you an amazing glow while preventing future breakouts because it's also anti-inflammatory and also antibacterial. And it also smells amazing and it's all natural. So keep watching if you want to know how I created my little DIY face mask. Turmeric powder is amazing for problematic skin and skin conditions alike. It's great for acne, it's antiseptic and keeps bacteria from spreading while also helping lighten hyperpigmentations and dark marks. Cinnamon powder is amazing for the skin. It's antibacterial, antifungal, prevents blemishes and acne, and helps support the blood flow to your skin. Going to need one egg. Eggs are great for elasticity. They add moisture to the skin. They help with your skin texture and remove excess oil. You're also going to need one pill of activated charcoal. I use this mainly for the color, if I'm completely honest, because I hate the yellow color of turmeric, but it's also great for pulling out dirt from your skin and your pores. Also going to need some honey. Now, I absolutely love honey for many reasons. Honey is antibacterial, antiseptic, it's got antioxidants. It's amazing for fighting acne. It helps clear your pores, hydrate your pores, and prevents clogging of your pores to give you a natural, tighter, and clearer looking complexion. You're going to need one lemon, but we're only literally going to be using half of the lemon. You're going to squeeze that into the bowl, and lemons are amazing for giving you radiant, flawless, brightening your skin, brightening dark marks, hyperpigmentation. Lemons are fantastic because they have a high amount of vitamin C. You're also going to need an accurate measuring spoon. So this is 1 tablespoon. It just makes it easier for you to measure your face mask accurately each time. And you're going to need a container to keep your face mask in when you want to pop it in the fridge. You're going to need a brush for mixing the mask together. So this is entirely optional. I'm going to be using some orange essence just for scent, and I'm going to be using some mandelic acid. Now, mandelic acid is an AHA derived from almond nuts. It helps accelerate the cell turnover by dissolving the tiny bonds that hold your skin cells together, allowing the products you use to penetrate deeper and lighting hyperpigmentation in dark skin. Safe to apply daily to your face as long as you're wearing your SPF 30 or SPF 50. So guys, we're just going to mix everything together. I'd say mix it for about a minute or two and make sure everything is nice and blended together nicely, You want it to be sweet in the middle. So once you're done mixing everything together, you can pour it into your little container. I'm reusing this container that used to be a body butter thingy. But you know what? I'm recycling. That's saving the planet, saving the trees, saving the ocean and the turtles. Single-handedly saving the world I am. So I'm going to show you guys how I applied the mask to my face. Guys, look at my skin. It's been about 2.5 weeks and there's been a massive improvement already on the texture, the glow, the pigments to my skin. Even my hyperpigmentation around my mouth has gotten a little better. Everything is just looking up and I haven't had as many breakouts in the last 3 weeks since I started using the mask. So guys, I just apply a very thin layer all over my face and I make sure that I spread that evenly all over. So I tend to leave the mask on for about 20 minutes before I start to take it off. I take it off in 2 ways. One way is I like to break it down with my cleanser by Una Brennan. I just kind of rub the oil until it breaks down the mask and I just tap it gently. Guys, don't be too harsh. And then I follow on with my foaming cleanser. or gentle facial wash. You guys can substitute this with whatever you normally use. And then I add my vitamin C and my skin care routine, and everything else follows afterwards. You can just do what you normally do. You don't have to follow exactly what I follow. But yeah, guys, that's the end of this video. If you guys tried this mask, let me know. Tag me on Instagram, send me a DM, come say hello. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and share with your friend who has bad skin like me. It's a work in progress, guys. It's such a journey, but I will be bringing you guys along on my skincare journey. I'll see you guys in my very next video. Bye, sweeties. Have a fantastic day, night, or afternoon. Dear Diary, I'm starting to reach that point where I really just want to ask God, when? What's wrong with me? It's another Valentine's Day, for goodness sake, and I am single again. I have become the president of the Singles Association. The minister of God will do your own, sis. The girls that are going on vacation, that are being flued out, do they have two heads? Me too, I want to be flued out.
Hold me closer, rope me in, 'cause boy, I love when you touch my skin. I want to make things better. I want to let you in. I want you in my bedroom. I want to do this again.